Sanibonani babukene abathandi bayo iWTV. Professor C wakalikhuleni sibongo inyanga muni inyanga ukuthi kota inyanga ukuthi twisisa inyanga yakwendla swisangqondo abanye bade kanti why akwadi twisisa ngiyathi visisa vele ngani ngoba hey singangeni lapho. Alright ngithi bafowethu sibuyile futhi ngihamba nayo umalume waKarabo Bunolo udirile ngokusho njalo ngisho ukuthi bafowethu sahlanganisa idlozi sihlanganisa magayihlahla kanenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana ngisho njalo bafowethu ngithi kwasuka lokwasuka embongolweni ngihlezi la esigodlweni sami ngisekhaya nje ngihlezi la kule sofa lami nawe uyalibona iyakuthi kodwa iyakutwisisa bra KB.
Yeah, no. Prof.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you for joining us again. Please keep supporting Tabula TV and Zoho TV. Iyakule Tabula Shem yabona. Ikhona ukufika ne 4,000 views. Akufani. Please keep supporting the channel. Subscribe, ring the notification bell. Press the notification bell and 99. Prof.
Yeah.
Without wasting time. Khona abantu abaningi bathi KB mina ngifuna ukucatshwa angifuni into eziningi angifuni nokuhlola ngifuni lutho but nginenkinga in an office where people come in either I'm a lawyer or a doctor, physiotherapist, a state agent, anything where people have a walk-in bahlale and then from there ngibasize financial advisor, tax advisor, all those people. And angifuna ukuthi bashiye into zabo la isichitho sabo isinyama sabo or whatever, not ukuthi baze bazongishaya but sometimes angithi some things follow you, certain things even decide ukuthi angisahambi la ungathi kumnandi kule office and they end up staying 99 and then they end up affecting your life yakho and your business. So people say mangiya ku prof angifuni lutho, I just want him to give him something ukuthi le office yam ihlale it clean. Basically it must just have a clean environment. I must just have a clean environment where nothing stays behind and nothing ends up interfering in life yam kanjani. So does Prof have something ekhaya? Now obviously Prof has always had lentole, but the thing is we've never covered it obviously, but and another thing is the way we yenza ngakhona now is different from the way engibengiyazi ngakhona, because nami I knew it as a different version. Now uthi uNtonyani, you have improved uNtonyani. You don't need to hlolwa, you don't need ukujajwa, you don't need anything. It's just umuthi your mixer, you put it inside something, say spray and then whatever. But before we even go into those things, is it important that people should worry about those things? Zokuthi ungangena eofisini la mushiye isichitho basicale lapho.
Yeah. Bra KB, remember singabantu sihamba nezinto zethu. And then masihamba nezinto zethu ngafika izing affect me. Asithi nginesidina. Mangifika lapha kuwe siyasala lesidina. And then bantu makumele sebeze office badineka. Njalo makumele beze office badineka. But akusiwuwe mnikazi wenkinga. Inkinga ukuthi kufike thina sahlala lapha ezitulweni kuhlala wonke umuntu. So kubalekile ukuthi umuntu abe nento ukuthi uyabona kufana nokuthi ngenze example yekufa. Uyabona makushoniwe kuyangqola ekhaya bese kufuneka ukuthi si clean sigeze isinyama lesa kuthiwa kuyinhlambuluko ya 7 days. So nomuntu osebenze office if namhlanje asithi ngishonelwe indoda ngiyalapha eofisini lakhe o ngiyalapha kadokotela ngiyagula phela udoctor ufuna ngisiza kusasa mangithi ngiyabheka ama client ami se ayehla sinini ngiyavula iviki lonke angeni umuntu no kanti sengimonephi ngilabantu labafika lapha ngeenkinga ezihlukahlukene nani le inkinga zabo sezinamathela leya ndawo nawe sowuyambhanceka sowugcina ukuthi masithi siyakubheka ngicabanga kuya ka Dr. Likhuleni ngizombona
next week.
Yeah, ngizombona. You understand? So kubalekile ukuthi bodokotela babe nezinto zabo ezizobasiza, especially those who say no man allergic reason angifuni ukugcatshwa ngifuna ukwenzani. So lento ngiyenzele lento ukuthi no indawo nendawo idinga ukuhlanjulula. Even nami self uma kungena abantu la ukhumbula ukuthi sifutha abantu la ekhaya siyenza yonke into sesiyayidinga into izohlambulula le mithwalo yalabantu abayishiya la ukuthi le ndawo ihlambuluke.
Okay. But if I mean, because sometimes you hear umuntu athi Brakb nginal tavern and I know ukuthi netsena batho ba kae so wena batho abasatsena and then you guys go and clean it up. But obviously maybe if you investigate some of the problems abantu abashiye lezi zinto zabo
icitho ukhumbula ukuthi kunabantu
idina
abadine babayenzayo mase ufika wena lezi zinto lezi mama lokubagida la kubazokuthanda bakuthanda lento ilo kuyadevelopa nawe wenzi lutho uthi ha kunama customer sinini istoko siyahlala lapha eBrewery ufuna ubhadala manje usokhulu because of manje kumele size sizothenga asisakhoni phela masicabanga le ndawo hayi fuck ithi siye ePitori asayila kaZwani sesiyiPitori why singayi kaZwani bantu bacabanga basuka ePitori beze la kaZwani o bebasuka ePitori ngenza imizekelo ngakaZwani bebasuka ePitori baye lapha eNkandla mabacabanga eNkandla babhoreka and then athi ay fuck uyenza event kuze 10 yabantu shit
no
leso sikhathi ubiza uDJ Maphorisa
it's umkhokhela. Okay, so uNtonyane
uyakhumbula ukuthi uDJ Maphorisa unabalandeli but kungenzeki uNtonyane uhlambulula ioffice isitolo yonke into akunakuthi wena uzothi no mina ngisebenzela ngoba abanye abantu bayacaka siyasho ukuthi uNtonyane uhlambulula indawo osebenzela ki athi manje mina ngoba ngisebenzele ekhaya beze la usebenzela khona
kuzabantu. Okay, all right, awucajwa wenza lutho ngiyazala just give me into yakhona
nginikeza lento vele ngiprepareile ihlezi spray
injani spray yeah okay
noma ubekile la bazothi hayi lento
yama furniture okay
uyayibeka simple.
Okay, sikhuluma ngamalini uNtonyane
Brakb omunye hathi prof kanti ususa ngamalini isithunzi or isidina ekhaya nethi mara niyazi ile imisebenzi phela lento le so ngokuthi ngithanda bantu bami angizolile kuloko ngithe 7k.
All right, siyabonga ke uNtonyane ukhona. All the guys that keep calling me, guys, I know no
umuntu uzofonela kuthe ukuthi deposit mali
no I not deposit come on. No, if you have a business where people come and you can't afford 7,000, then you're not doing your job like that. But because anyway, I know Umuyu Mama has been asking me to do this episode Yagantonyani because why 70 and then I'm 7 and then just uguti people have misconceptions uguti fanele mabayenya uprof akahloli guys akayenzi lutho you just come, it's prepared and unless if maybe ungangena ngegate and then abalusi babona something and then bawona prof, that's when prof will say maybe you need to close, but normally you just go in and then uyaphuma. Ntonyane ukhona, please guys ngicela nifonele prof no ngicela uNtonyane ngicela bafonela wena
no problem. Yes, and also they must understand this thing. Angihloli mina Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday ngihlola ithwalo. Friday ngisengizobatshela nakuthi Ho TV Friday is where we going to singenza ama work in ofuna ukuhlola ngempilo yakho ofuna ukwenzani la ngihlola khona but umuntu athi prof ngifuna isithwalo marathi ngihlola impilo yami usifunelani lesithwalo.
Okay,
because esiluma sihlola isithwalo sihlolela ukuthi sizokwazi ukuconnecta nawe noma ngesikwazi hayi ukuthi ihlola impilo yakho usafunani.
Okay, it's a different
so from Tuesday until Thursday
okay
angihloli. Friday only ngila ngiconsulta khona, then Saturday ithwalo.
Okay,
thank you.